Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video here on the channel. Today's video we're going to be doing some Photoshop myths and yeah, I'm going to be doing something quite different today. We're going to be doing a landscape. Usually I just do something random, but today I'm going to be doing a landscape, so yeah. If you enjoy the video, consider giving it a like, and if you enjoy my channel, subscribe. And yeah, so that's it for the intro. Let's get in the video.
Okay, so I've already placed down the stars, so now we're just gonna add in this. We're gonna do it like that. Then we're gonna resize that to go like that, and then like that. Okay, images. Now we're gonna add in the birds, which I'm just gonna add in up here. Then we're gonna add in the helicopter, which I have added here. Can I flip this vertically? I'm not sure if I can. Cut out. Also, blend in opacity. Make that a bit low. Let's make it smaller. And yeah. Then we're gonna add in a car. A bit too big. Yep, Range Rover. Cut out, auto, erase everything. Done. Okay, I'm erasing. Feathers, edges for the L, big feather. Like that. Then we're going to cut off a bit of this wheel. Like that. And then we're going to go back here, grab that. Cut out, auto, eraser. There we go. So that's going to be it for today's video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.